Man killed at party in Clarendon. His attacker is on the run. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Link 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Link 7 TV News Report. A manhunt has been launched by the Clarendon police for a gunman who shot a man while at a party in Denby in the parish on Saturday night. The deceased has so far been identified as Anthony Young, who was said to be in his 20s. Initial reports are that Young was among patrons at the party, popularly referred to as a drink out, when a man entered the venue and approached him. The unidentified man allegedly pulled a firearm and opened fire, hitting Young several times before fleeing the scene. Young reportedly died on the spot. No motive for the killing has yet been established by the Clarendon police. The Clarendon police is investigating the incident. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with any more information to come on this. This has been Link 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.